Good morning and a warm welcome. I am Pradosh Sharma and you are watching News Flash. A travel-related case of Mpox virus of West African Clade 2 was confirmed in a patient on Monday. Clade 2 is not part of WHO's current public health emergency, although it continues circulating in several countries, including the West. The Railway Ministry issued an advisory warning against the public placing objects on railway tracks after incidents of derailment attempts surfaced. The advisory emphasized that tampering with the tracks is a punishable offence and urged cooperation to ensure safe railway operations. 5 people, including 3 women, were killed and 3 others were injured in a landslide on the Kedarnath Yatra route. Rescue operations were launched after reports emerged of travelers being buried between Gaurikund and Sonprayag. Manipur imposed a 5-day ban on mobile internet broadband VPN services following renewed violence. The state government cited concerns that inflammatory content on social media could escalate tensions and disturb public peace. The Kerala High Court criticized the state government for its inactions on the Hema Committee report, which addresses issues in the Malayalam film industry. The court ordered the police to review the report and take actions if any offences are found. Donald Trump and Kamala Harris are set for a highly anticipated presidential debate. This face-off, seen as potential decisive, comes after Kamala Harris replaced Joe Biden, boosting a previously struggling Democratic campaign. Pakistan police used tear gas on peaceful PTI workers demanding the release of Imran Khan. Thousands of Khan supporters rallied on the outskirts of Islamabad, calling for his release after over a year in prison on multiple charges. It is time for a break now. We'll be back with more news. Stay tuned.
इस तरह आरकेडीएफ विश्वविद्यालय राज्य और देश के आधुनिक और उच्च विश्वविद्यालयों में से एक है।
आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी, ये है आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी।
आरकेडीएफ यूनिवर्सिटी, a world-class university. Education glorifies nation.
Union Minister Hardeep Singh Puri condemned Rahul Gandhi's recent comments about the Sikh community in the US, labeling them irresponsible. He accused Gandhi of aligning with fringe elements and highlighted past atrocities against the Sikh community during Congress rule. External Affairs Minister S. Jaishankar emphasized that the Ukraine conflict cannot be resolved using military and urged Russia and Ukraine to negotiate. He added that India is open to business with China, but selectively in certain sectors. The recovery of sophisticated rocket tails and drone sightings in Manipur has raised concerns about the Myanmar origin weapons and insurgent groups from Bangladesh. Drones were spotted as early as November 2023, leading to flight diversions. A CBI court sent former RG Medical College principal Sandeep Ghosh and 4 aides to judicial custody till September 23, linked to alleged financial irregularities during Ghosh's tenure. The BJP accused Rahul Gandhi of being against reservation for SCs, STs and OBCs after comments he made at Georgetown University. Gandhi suggested that scrapping reservations when India becomes fair, drawing criticism from the BJP. Former RG Medical College principal Sandeep Ghosh, under CBI investigation for corruption, was earlier cleared of molestation charges in Hong Kong case, citing a medical condition. 2 Maldivian ministers resigned after derogatory remarks made against Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Pro-China President Mohammad Muizzu, who suspended them in January, is seeking to rebuild ties with India. The BJP mocked Congress leader Sushil Kumar Shinde for revealing his fear of visiting Kashmir as Home Minister during the UPA government, while publicly presenting a brave front. That's all for the headlines of the day. For more updates, download the app and keep watching Rhythm.